Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So in this video what I did for you was another sculptured set of UV gel nails, but I worked on my right hand, so I used my non-dominant hand in order to create these nails. I did a set of stilettos and I used NSI's UV gel. It's a builder gel, I think. It's got a pinky tone to it. Not my favourite colour, but I wanted to try it out anyway and see how it looked. So yeah, so I just create my nails on my right hand. At the end of this video I also do a review of some beautiful new gel polishes that I've received from Nicole Diary, which I will show you towards the end of the video. So if you would like to see me create a sculptured set of UV gel nails, then keep watching. So as always, I have already prepped my nails with a primer from NSI. I will leave you links to everything, like I said, that I use in this video in the description box. The UV gel that I'm using is NSI's and it's a Balance Builder gel and it's called Radiant Pink. So it's actually in the clearance section on NSI's website as well, so go check that out guys. You get quite a big tub of it. I've got a massive tub, so yeah, which is why I wanted to use it. So the brush that I'm using is my gel brush from Miss You Beauty. It's by far the best one that I've used. I love it to bits. And so what I'm doing, I'm using Crystal Nails nail forms here. They're the shorter version nail forms, but they do the job exactly what I wanted. And I shaped these nails into stilettos. So what I'm doing is I'm literally just popping down or just extending out my nail here, my natural nail, with the UV gel. In between each nail, what I do is I just quickly flash cure it, because I don't know if you can tell, but this gel that I'm using is not as, stiff as the others. It's quite runny. So I was a little bit worried about it sort of running down the form, so to speak. So yeah, so I flash cured it in between each finger, just to keep it in place basically. Once finished, I pop them under the LED lamp for 30 seconds to cure. And so now I start with my thumb again, and I'm just building up the nail here. So there's the colour of the gel. Like I said, it's not my favourite, an unusual colour, but it did the job, so I was happy. So yeah, so I just build my nail up with this gel and I cure each nail in my LED lamp. Well, I flash cure it in my LED lamp. And then once finished, I cure them all in my LED lamp for a full 30 seconds. And then I go in with another coat. So as you can see now, I've removed the nail forms. Yes, they do look a little bit messy, but I am working with my left hand, my non-dominant hand, so it is very, very difficult for me. So you will have to bear with me on this. It does look a bit messy, but the filing, that's what filing's for. So again, just building up the nail now. This is the last layer of gel that I apply, and what I do once I've applied the gel here to the nail, I then tip my hand upside down so that it creates the apex. You get that little bit of height just in the middle there, just to make sure that they don't split halfway down the nail, just to create that natural looking look, natural shape. And then I cure them all in my LED lamp for a full 30 seconds. So once I've cured all of these nails, I then remove the tacky layer from them, and then I file and buff them into shape. I didn't film that today, unfortunately. I do apologise for that, but I went straight in with the gels. So here are the gel polishes. As you can see, they're from Nicole Diary, but they were ordered through a Wish website. I don't know if you've heard of it, but I will tell you more about it in a moment. So I got 3 colours and I got a top coat. So this first one is absolutely gorgeous. The colours that I got were ND01, ND06 and ND09. So the first one that I'm using here on my thumb is ND01. So absolutely gorgeous, a little bit transparent, a bit more transparent than what I was expecting, but with 2 coats it was lovely. So the one that I'm using now here is number ND06. So it's more of a brownie colour, it's beautiful. And the last one here that I'm using is ND09. So they went on so smoothly. Again, just on my forefinger and my ring finger, I'm using the same one that is on my middle finger here. So I just apply 1 coat and I cure it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. They go on smoothly, beautiful coverage. They were lovely, absolutely gorgeous. So I ordered these gel polishes via the Wish website. You can download the app. It takes about 2 weeks for them to deliver items because I think they're coming from like China or somewhere. And these gel polishes come in 6ml bottles. There's 22 colours altogether, and I also got a non-wipe top coat with these 3 colours, which I was really chuffed with. So now just apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat that I received from Nicole Diary, and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And just to top it off, you can't have nails without a little bit of sparkle. So with some of this unicorn powder that I received from Born Pretty, I just apply it to these nails, just to my forefinger and to my ring finger, just to give it that little bit of sparkle, which I love. And then I just top that off with a layer of the non-white UV gel top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. So here are my nails all finished. Top coat has been applied along with my cuticle oil. So I really hope you enjoyed watching my little tutorial along with my review of these lovely gel polishes from Nicole Diary via Wish website. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a massive thumbs up as always, and don't forget to share this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I will leave all links to all the products that I used in this video in the description box for you to check out. If you have any suggestions or any ideas that you'd like me to give a go, then leave me a comment in the section below. Also, let me know what you think of these nails as well. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.